Take a ride in the 2021 Corsair. The Lincoln Corsair looks the part with an elegantly designed exterior. High-end interior features and technology are coupled with the functionality that you expect from a compact SUV. This vehicle has less than 55,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: keyless entry, Bluetooth, trip computer, compass, fog lights, clock, tachometer, brake assist, outside temperature gauge. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.